us. So, our ministers, our governors, chairman of the National Working Committee, state chairman of our state party, we thank you very much. And please, go home with good memories of what you have seen here today. We are very happy. Thank you very much.
Put your hands together for the chairman of today's occasion on his wonderful remarks. On this note, ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome the state chairman of PDP Imo State, Honorable Chief Engineer Charles Ugwu, the state chairman of PDP, to come and give us his welcome address. Make some noise for the state chairman of PDP.
Oji Obiadola, PDP chairman Anyanwu, Obiadola, Oji Obiadola, PDP chairman Obiadola.
Biko, on your behalf, I Bakaranga to honor and respect our son, Senator Samuel Anyanwu. But actually, I may take advantage of this position, Biko, forgive me, to introduce to you our candidate on the Ngobala by-election. It's so very important. Kaune, anyway, just give me a minute. The young man not here. Jeff, Emeka, Nwachukwu, anyị akwa eme campaign na Ngobala came 4 to 5 weeks. He's our candidate. I just wish to present him to you and ask you to pray for him. Okwo kangae, okuruga support here. Win the election. Jeff, we must bring victory back to us. Thank you. Because all the protocols have been established. So on behalf of the State Working Committee, the State Elders Committee, and all the organs and structures of PDP, I welcome you, our distinguished Senator Dr. Yochi Ayu, the National Chairman, and members of the National Working Committee of our great party to Imo State. I acknowledge and welcome all our leaders, governors, senators, members of the National and State Assemblies. I welcome also, in a special way, Senator Samuel Anyanwu, the National Secretary of our party, to his home state, Imo, after his successful election as the new National Secretary of PDP. Yes, PDP, the largest political party in Africa. The Nezioku, in fact, PDP Imo State started in a very humble beginning with a number of reputable individuals, honorable men who came together to form this party in 1998. Since then, the party has grown based on the core values of honesty, integrity, doing the right thing, doing justice. And the party has grown now to a very strong position in Imo State. I want to take this opportunity because time I know. In spite of the problem of the Supreme Court, in spite of the setbacks, in spite of the fact that a number of our own members went to court, PDP has been able to weather the storm. And I give credit to Wike and Honorable Meki Hedioha for his support, for his encouragement to the party, and for holding the party together in these very difficult times. Imo PDP Imo PDP came January 14th, has been consolidating. It is for this that I was drafted to come in and bring my experience and knowledge to this. I want to report to Ndi Monine, Ndi PDP, that we are making progress, that we are doing, uniting the party, working well to strengthen the party, and making sure we are prepared to win election. The party has designed very special strategies and about chapters. And with the chapters and e-registration, the party is rising strong, determined, and united to win election. So continue to support PDP. On behalf of the PDP, let me on behalf of Imo PDP, thank our great party for finding our son, distinguished Senator Samuel Anyanwu, worthy to occupy the exalted position of the National Secretary of PDP. Distinguished Senator Samuel Anyanwu is a grassroots politician who at a very young age was elected as local government chairman in Ikeduru LGA. He moved on to be two-time member of Imo House of Assembly before being elected to the Senate of the Federal Republic. We trust that he will discharge his responsibilities as the National Secretary very competently. We will continue to give him support to succeed in this very important assignment and responsibility. This event is indeed to honor him and to pray for his success. All of us in Imo PDP support him and will do everything to facilitate his work and accord him all the honor and prestige he deserves. On your behalf, I want also to encourage everybody in PDP to open our hands and our hearts to receive our members who have gathered here today, those who left us before, those who are joining us now, to join with PDP. And we receive you, we welcome you. And I want to say big welcome to all our brothers and sisters who want to join our party. So on behalf of the state party, I want to thank the National Working Committee, our national chairman, and all our guests and visitors who came to honor us and honor Samdadi by coming here. The governor of Abia State, the governor of Oyo State, the governor of Akwa Ibom, our brother Bob Manuel. So I want to thank everybody. I want to reassure you that PDP is strong. PDP is strengthening its organizations to win an election. So we offer our prayers to Samdadi and hope that this new elevated position given to him, he will use it to help PDP to achieve greater heights. Welcome to all those now who are joining PDP. Welcome. Ndewonu.
Samuel Onedianyema Umbo. Samdadi Dianyema Umbo. Onechi merese namada pudima Umbo. Onechi merese namada. Bring it down.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to listen to the head of the Rescue and Rebuild Nigeria team for his keynote address, the national chairman of our great party, former Senate President, Senator Dr. Iyocha Ayu, will be coming to give his keynote address and also receive the decampees from the other parties. So we are using this opportunity to ask the decampees, led by Chief Charles Ezegwem, to also come. The national chairman is coming with the governors and also some members of the National Working Committee. Please make stairs. Jump your hands as they make their way to the podium.
Ice water.
As you can see. Please, please, please. Please, PDP.
Ice water.
Let people go back. Please go back.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much.
The
Thank
national
you.
chairman is here live
Thank you.
now.
The national chairman is standing already. Please pay attention to his keynote address. And he's also going to receive the decampees before he gets down from the podium.
Make way,
As
make
you
way.
can see,
Enya.
yes, the governors here, members of National Working Committee.
Make way for AIT, please.
Please make way.
Make way, please.
Make way, please.
Audience. Please make way for the AIT.
Sir Martin Sejog, are you here? Martin Sejog.
Please. Please. Yeah, wait to your hand, wait to your hand. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Somebody a palilosa. Imole somebody a palilosa. Ine somebody a palilosa.
One time.
Otete abarago fa. Ofa durogu ofa jireji. Kama. Imo wa bari. What is your phone? What is your phone?
Bring it down. Bring it down. Before the national chairman makes his keynote address, we want Chief Ezekwem, who is leading the decampees, to mention the names of the decampees. Please bring it down. Thank you very much. Bring it down. Stop.
It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
PDP! PDP! Igbo ndewo! Ndewo! Your Excellencies, the governors of the PDP who are here, the party, in a short time that he has been with us, has shown the capacity of why Nigeria chose him. We are grateful as a party to the whole of Imo State and the whole of the Southeast Zone. Senator Anyanwu is a rising star. Is now a national figure. I am happy with the work we are doing together in rebuilding this country. We will rescue the country and rebuild it for the benefit of all Nigerians. Let me assure you that we are going to work day and night to throw out this leprous government that has come in, that has deceived you, that has made life so difficult for everybody in Nigeria. And your son, Senator Anyanwu, and other sons of the Southeast Zone have been playing a very important role. I want to appeal to the whole of Imo people to put the issue of Supreme Court governor behind. Time is on our side. In a short time, in a few months to come, we shall return Imo back to the PDP because Imo is a PDP state. Imo, when we formed the party, I was the man who chaired the committee to come and reconcile the party here in Imo. That work produced our first Imo State Governor Achike Udenwa, and it has continued to be a PDP state. Whether they vote 1,000 times, Imo people will vote for the PDP. And therefore, do not give up. We are happy the work that is going on in Imo State. The way you are mobilizing word by word. We know the challenges, we know the difficulties. Keep on the good work. And very soon, you will see the result. The first result you will see is in the forthcoming election in Ngo-Kwala State constituency. We are going to win the Ngo-Kwala constituency for the PDP on Saturday. I want all PDP, all Imo people to come out en masse and vote for our candidate. When you vote, defend your vote, because the people APC have put here are not people you can joke with. They can steal your vote as they stole your governorship in the past. Defend your vote. Before I end this address, I want to address the whole of the Southeast zone. PDP has heard your cry. The whole struggle by IPOB is a cry of the marginalization of the Southeast zone. When we come back as a party, we will sit down with the whole of the Southeast. We will discuss the issues of development of the Southeast. How do we bring about development? We will not use guns on you. We will not arrest your sons. We will work with the people of Imo, Abia, Anambra, Enugu, and Ebonyi. Why do you do that? If your son is hungry and is crying, do you carry a whip and beat your son? No. Do you beat your son? No. Do you carry a cutlass to cut his head? No. The government that is in place today is not a government that listens to the people. PDP is taking over in 2023. And the problems that are facing our people in the Southeast, we shall address them exactly the way Musa Yaradua addressed the people of agitation in the South-South zone. We will bring development. We will not bring the army and police and SSS to harass you. That is not the way to go. This government has divided Nigeria, divided families, divided communities. The PDP will work for the unity of every family, of every community, of every part of the country. We shall join hands together and develop Nigeria to be one of the biggest countries in the world. We have done it before. We have done it before, and we shall do it again. God bless you all. Today we are happy to receive back into the PDP family all those who were misled to go astray. We are also ready to bring back everybody in every other party. Today, you will see the thousands and thousands of people who are coming back into the PDP with their leaders. By the time we finish this exercise, there will be no more APC in Imo State. APC don't die. APC is gone. There is no more APC in Imo State. Everybody will come back. Now we are going to take the Dikampis back.
While the national chairman and the leaders are still here, the leader of the Dikampis, High Chief Barrister, also Charles B.C. Ezekwen, will address this audience. Former PDP state chairman.
Excellency, His Excellency, the National Chairman of People's Democratic Party, former President of Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, former Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Ayocha Ayo, you are members of your National Working Committee. I salute you, sir. I want to also give recognition to our PDP governors who are here today. Special thank you to the governors of PDP who have held the party so strong since the inception of democracy since 1999. I want to thank the governors especially for the way they have supported PDP Nigeria and making it to be a strong opposition, especially Imo State. Thank you, sirs. I will also salute the former governor of Imo State, Right Honorable Emeka Ihedioha. I salute you. I will also salute the pioneer governor of Imo State, Chief Achiku Denwa. I salute you. Then a special thank you to the man who brought us here today. Wait. I will say a special thank you to the man who brought us here today. I know without Sam Daddy, without Senator Samuel Anyanwu, I don't think more than 10,000 the campaigns you are seeing here today wouldn't be here. Because, National Chairman, I want to assure you that these people you are seeing here are of APC extraction. They are not PDP members. They are people who are decamping from APC and other political parties into this party. I left the party in January 2020. I left the party because I needed to save my head. I left the party because I needed to save my face. I left the party because I wanted to make sure the image I've built for so many years is not destroyed. And I finally left the party because I understood I needed to make a sacrifice for the party to continue to grow. Therefore, I put everything behind, and I'm saying let bygone be bygone. And I want to assure you that we are back to this party to support the leadership of this party. From the national, to the state, to the local government, to the wards, to the charters, to make sure we have victory in the next coming presidential, senatorial, National Assembly elections. And by the grace of God, I want to assure you also that we'll have another victory by 2024 governorship election. PDP was in opposition for 12 years before I came in as a state chairman. I was the person who brought the jeans, who took PDP, me and my executives, who took PDP back to Douglas House after 12 years of opposition. And I want to assure the party that all those ingenuity we use that time. I'm going to bring it now to support those who are on board to make sure we get the same result. I want to especially recognize top leaders of this camp. This man is former chairman of Okiwo local government area. This is former commander of Imo Security Network of Rocha Sokorocha. Is here with us today. This is the former commissioner for foreign and international affairs of this current government. He's here today with us. This is the former local government chairman of Onimo. This is Agosto Wike, a senatorial candidate, and so many top leaders. Igbo is here, watching them is here. So many, the chairman of former, in fact, I have over 10 elected chairman, former chairman here. We have over 20-something members of the state and AGA ESCO of our former party that are all here today to support this party. I'm assuring you, the national chairman, that this our movement will bring another victory as we did in 2019. We are people of grace. Thank you and God bless you.
PDP. PDP. Before your son, distinguished Senator Anyanwu will talk to you I want all leaders in Imo State to be united. All leaders in the state should remain united. If you divide, they will defeat us. Whatever happens, remain united, support each other, because this is a PDP state and we are going to win. Thank you and God bless you all.
And sir, before you go our way, you have to stand by for decoration, and also we want the governor of Akwa Ibom State to speak on behalf of the governors, while decoration of the national chairman and members of National Working Committee will be held immediately for want of time. Oh, Governor of Abia State, sorry, who is also the deputy chairman of PDP Governors Forum. I'm sorry, sir. The governor was given to me. His Excellency Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu, please listen to him.
Imo, Mmammanụ, ndị Imo, unu abịala, unu rikpọla. Ana m ekele national chairman anyị na ndị niile bịara ebe a. Na-asị na ihe m hụrụ taa n'odola m anya sị n'ala Imo wa ala PDP. Ala Imo wa ala PDP. Ọ ga-kwado ebido na Satọde na Ngọkpala. Anyị ga-emeri election ahụ n'aha Jizọs. Mmeri ahụ ga-akpọta mmeri ọzọ, anyị emeri ya ma gọvanọ n'aha Jizọs. Dike kwuru biko, oke anaghị ata ihe onye mụ anya. Anyị tụọ vootu anyị echere. Agụọ ya anyị soro ya. Akpọrọ anyị rizọtụ anyị alawa. Ka ugbu a nkwa anyị na-ekwu n'uwo na onweghị onye ga-eme ambush electoral victory anyị na court ọbụla. Ebe ọla ha gara anyị ga-azọchi ebe ahụ. Ihe anyị ga-awụ ihe nke anyị o. Nke anyị wụ nke anyị o. Ya dịrị nwoke mma dịrị nwaanyị mma n'aha Jizọs.
The former governor, 1 minute. Chief Achiku then want to greet the crowd. 1 minute to greet your people.
Ekwensu ga-achịkwa anyị ọzọ, ọbara Chineke ga-agbara ya mba. The national chairman, Senator Ayu, Your Excellencies, the governors here present, all our leaders here, our state chairman, then our guest of honor, Chief Sam Anyanwu, and all the very, very big personalities we are welcoming back today from the APC. I want to thank all of you and thank all our Imo people. Yeah, the journey of PDP in Imo State has not been easy, but at the same time, we have always conquered. We have conquered from 1998, and then we shall continue to conquer. Everybody is aware of what happened to us in the last election, and we are determined to bring back PDP to power in Imo State and also in the country. So I urge all Imolites who are still remaining in APC to please come back to where they belong. There was a time in this state, it was a one-party state. And I'm sure we will return it to still a one-party state. We thank you for coming and thank everybody who has made today a success. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, Your Excellency. Right Honorable Emeka Ihebio Hasioen.
PDP! Power to the people! Power to the people! Mr. Chairman, you have come, you have seen, you will believe. We have done it before, we shall do it. Mr. Chairman, we win every election here. We will win more in 2023. If we made mistakes, we have learned our lessons. I want to enjoin everybody to remain faithful. Remain faithful, remain faithful, remain faithful. To God be the glory.
Thank you very much, PDP. While the national chairman is still standing, we want Honorable Austin to come and read the citation of, you know what? Okay. Please, let's listen to the celebrant. The reason why we gathered here today. Senator Samuel Anyanwu, aka Sam Daddy.
Power to the people. Power to the people. Because our national chairman, our capacity chairman, my boss, Senator Yajo Ayo, Your Excellencies, our performing governors of PDP in all PDP controlled states, my colleagues and my partners, my team players, members of NWC, Your Excellency, the former governor of Imo State, my brother and my friend, Right Honorable Rebecca Hedioha. Your Excellency, the former governor, our leader, our mentor politically, Governor Achike Udemwa, who I went through his political tutelage with Dr. Alex Obi, the former state chairman of our party. I want to welcome my brother Ikemba, the man who brought PDP from political dungeon after 12 years to produce a governor. I want to welcome you back to your party, you and your colleagues. I have a simple statement. In Imo State, we are together. We are going to be together. We are going to work together. We have only one common enemy. One common enemy is APC. And we know how to defeat enemies. And I can assure you we are going to do that, sir. Having said that, sir, I want us to be together. I want all of us to work together so that at the end of the day, we can be able to inherit back our state. Having said that, sir, you know there's no more positions. And I'm sure with what has happened today, the national chairman will graciously create a waiver. I know in this gathering today, the chairman of BOT of PDP Nigeria is here with Senator Walid Jubril and the Secretary of BOT, former Senate President Adolphus Wabara, is also here. That will tell you the PDP Nigeria is here, and they came to honor you. This is the first working visit of PDP in the Nigeria since I emerged as National Secretary of the party. This is a working visit for the party, and that is why you are seeing our governors, despite the fact that today is my reception, but it's a working visit for the party to receive our DKPs and to see the party. And I want to tell you, Chairman, PDP is together. We are going to be together. We are going to test run this today on Saturday by Ngobala election. I want to assure you that for me, I will not use my position to do wrong to people. I will use it to make sure that PDP wins in Imo State. That's my promise to you. And Chairman, I will tell you, in that NWC with you, you can never find me wanting. By the special grace of God, I'm a team player. Having said that, the former state chairman who has just become today about our party, we must give him responsibility. On that note, I have decided to appoint him as my chief political advisor so that he can be very, very confident. I want to thank you, and God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. A round of
you are welcome back today. He can't get away. He can't go sing and go come on him. When your mama did it, Banama, Chief Samania was somebody you don't like. Somebody I would have got it like him, make a langa. You want your mama, in a
Chimamanda. Hey. Chimamanda.
Jehovah Jireh, Chigamanda, Chigamanda. Somebody named Chigamanda. Somebody Anyanwu come Chigamanda. The PDP state, yeah. Oh, your state governor, I say you are highly welcome. Akwa Ibom state governor, you are highly welcome. Oh, your state governor, you are highly welcome. Oh, your state governor is here on the stage. Oh, your Kabiesi, 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 Kabiesi. Okay, Swabia. Okay, Swabia, we are Kagelu. Haji, okay, Zimazu, okay, Swabia, Dino. Ndiaji, Samdadi, Makorota, Taipula, you do it. Samdadi, 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 say Samdadi, say Samdadi, say Samdadi, say Samdadi, go say Samdadi, somebody say Samdadi, you see that say Samdadi, chairman say Samdadi. Chairman says I'm daddy, says I'm daddy, says I'm daddy, says I'm daddy, NWC, says I'm daddy, Chairman says I'm daddy, says I'm daddy, oh, yes, I'm daddy, yes, says I'm daddy, says I'm daddy. You can testify by yourself what PDP can do. We are returning power to the people. That is what PDP can do. Balo Zuba Kamarema. Anambra State, bello, bello, bello. Shama melody, shiggy biko, bello, 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 bello. You will see what PDP do. Sene, 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 bello, 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 bello. You will see what the Lord can do. Because I'm your bello, 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 bello. You see what the Lord can do. Anambra State, you know. Anambra State, yeah.
And it is on that musical note here in Owerri, Imo State, at the celebration and homecoming of Senator Samuel Anyanwu, the National Secretary PDP, that we would like to say thank you for watching and thank you for being with us on Africa Independent Television. We're at this point in time, on behalf of my transmission crew here in Owerri, I would like to take you back to Abuja for regular programming. My name is Tony Douglas. Thank you once again for watching.